Welcome everyone to my new video. Today we are going to unbox the Android monster of 2023, which is the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So let's check the box. So it's 2056 gigabyte and 12 RAM, and the color is cream. Okay. I'm kind of excited to check what is inside the box.
Please don't sway me, don't betray me. Smooth your body in the water. We go swimming.
This is so satisfying. Let's check the other side. So satisfying. Okay, let's go and see what is inside the box. My God. Okay. Now let's move to the moment of truth. Oh my God. See that glossy finish? Oh. I really like the glossy Samsung world. I see the cameras, pumps. Okay, we have that 2 microphones, US pen. Really like it. And now let's move to my best part. I really like that. Okay, let's press the power button. Oh. So we reached the end of our video today. Don't forget to put the like button and to do subscribe, and wait for my next video. Peace out.